aka Draco, aka Mr. Crypto Juke. So this video is going to be teaching you how exactly that you're going to make money from purchasing tiles slash blocks on After Earth. So it's pretty much the same process just like Earth 2. However, it's a little bit different because the platform is not as big. So the easiest way you're going to make money, right? I'm going to show you guys the easiest way you're going to make money at first. First, you're going to keep an eye on the countries. So yeah, you're going to check and see what new countries are being released. So at the moment, we've got Germany, Australia, and South Korea. Let's see what they said. They said the next 3 winning countries are going to be put up. Right? Let's see. And by the looks of it, it's definitely going to be those 3. And so what you're going to do, find the country that you want. So say for instance Germany, and what you're going to do, you're going to go onto Google and you're going to type in landmarks in Germany or most visited places in Germany, something like that. Now you're going to get some different pages that show you 50 places to visit in Germany or something like that. Now from that list, you're then going to go through, look at one that you think this is going to be a great buy and then go through with it. So for instance, if I go to, I'm already exploring. So if I go to, for instance, Paris. Oh, what's it then? Let me try another way. Let's try Eiffel Tower. Okay. So for instance, as you see here, what everyone has done has come straight to where the Eiffel Tower is. Everyone has attempted to buy the Eiffel Tower, but not everyone obviously is going to get the Eiffel Tower. So this person that's got it, let's have a look and see what the damage is. So as you guys, as you see, the original guy who purchased it was Cruz, who I spoke about in one of my previous videos. Good guy, I mean very genuine. So what he did, he bought the Eiffel Tower, as you see, for $13.63, and as you see, he bought it. He sold it for $2,400, and the processing fee was $120. Right. So if you see, just from a simple bit of thought, choosing the right place, he only spent £13 and he made 2,000. Well, say 2,200 something. So that's a ridiculous profit margin. So that's something that you can do. So if we look around Paris as well, so for instance, say we clear this, and let's look around Paris to see if anyone else bought any other blocks. So let's look at this one. Okay, let's have a look. So it's the same thing. So it seems that this guy, S. Psychro, or whatever his name is, he's just going around buying places. I think he's just got money falling out his ass or something. He's just buying places for the fun of it. So let's look at somewhere else. Let's look at someone else. Okay, so let's see. What's this one? Is there a glitch on there or something? Must be some sort of glitch. Yeah, I think it's all registered as an Eiffel Tower. Don't know why. But regardless, as you see the point of the video, so you're going to find somewhere which is a very well-known or popular location. Because more than likely, if someone new comes onto the platform, they're going to go to the most popular locations. Or if someone from that country, they're going to go to a popular location in that country. So if it's in London, you've got Big Ben, House of Parliament, Buckingham Palace. Those places will sell no matter what, because anyone from the UK will have heard of those places. So the first thing they're going to do is go to the places they're familiar. So as long as you buy the popular areas, people will come there and people want to buy. You've got to think of it like real life. Right? So it's going to be easier, if you buy a house here in the center of the city, it's going to be much easier to sell that house than if you bought the house. Let me show you, zoom out a bit more. Then if you bought the house, you know, like somewhere here, for instance, in the middle of nowhere. Do you see what I mean? It's gonna be much easier to sell that property. So that's the way to look at it. So go into Google, type in the most visited places in that country. Go there. You gotta be there at the countdown time, because within the first 30 seconds, property is sold. So you don't have an hour, you don't have 10 minutes. You have to be there at countdown to try your best to get through and win that property. Also, you gotta make sure you have a good internet connection as well, because the server does crash a lot of times when a new country is released, just like Earth 2, because of the amount of people on the platform all trying to buy the same thing at the same time. So yeah, another video coming to you guys. Big Dre. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe.